Day 11 from 0 to WordPress 0 end of the year challenge. And today we'll be talking about the header section of a website. Yesterday we talked about Elementor interface and how you can make use of every tools on the Elementor plugin. Today we'll be talking about the header section of a website, how you can customize it and how you can use it to better the design of your website. So without much talk, let's get down to business. So the first thing you need to do is to go to customize. Once you click on it, give it time to load up. Still loading up. So once it's up, you come to the header. So this is the header section of the website. Everything you can see in between this line to here is what we call the header section of the website. So the header consists of the logo, consists of the menu, and you can also add a button to the header section of a website. All right, so the header section of a website always consists of 2 or 3 things: the logo, the 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 menu, or the button. And it can also consist of contact details or social media icons. It can also consist of social media icons. So without talking too much, let's get down to business. So the first thing is the logo. We talked about how we can change our logo. There is an issue with this logo. Let me change it, because I remember we actually did inputs. Yeah, so I don't know why it's not showing up. Yeah, so now this is the new logo we inputted the other day. So the first thing is the logo, and the other time we talked about how we can customize and rearrange our logo. We also talked about the site title and the tagline of a website the other time. So once you are done with that, the next thing is the menu. You can rearrange the menu if you want to add a new menu, or if you want to delete a particular menu, you can actually do it from here. Though the main what's it called purpose of this is to decide if you want to leave the menu or you want to remove it. So you can decide to leave the menu or remove it from there. If you want to remove the menu, all you have to do is just cancel this primary menu and the menu will be gone. All right, so the next thing is the contacts, the free consultation button. All right, so you can click on it and rearrange it. You can change the words, you can add a link to it. All right, so you can decide if you just want it to show on the mobile alone, or on the tab and on the desktop. So these are a few things that you can do to better the design of your website. You can also add any other thing that you feel they need to add. So you can add a social media icon which will be linked to your social media platforms. You can add different options. As you can see, there are so many options here. All right, you can add a image, you can add anything you want to add, you can easily add it to the header. All right, but mainly the website's header always consists of a logo, the menu, and also a button or a contact details or a social media icons. So basically this is all about the header of a website. Another thing you can do is you can decide to make the header transparent. This header is transparent. So this image you are seeing here is the website image, the website background image. So once you make the header transparent, it will be showing the image of the website background. So another thing you can do is you can change the height of the header, put it into any suitable height you want. So once you are done with all the settings, you can easily click on publish. And your header will be saved. So this is our new header now. So working on the header is as simple as that. It's very easy to customize once you are using the Astra theme and also the Elementor plugin. You can also do it from the Elementor plugin. So it's as simple as that. So that would be the end of today's video. If you have any topic you want me to talk about, please drop it in the comment section. And also, if you find the video interesting, please drop a like and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you and God bless.